Hello, welcome to Dire Tactics. My name is Julian, and I am game designer in Direfog, Tactical Card Combat. In this series, we're going to analyze in depth the game mechanics, as well as other aspects of great importance to our community, such as lore, art, and future steps in the Direfog universe. Having this clear, let's get this started. Before entering the fog, you need a deck to face your rivals. To do this, you must choose 2 factions from the 10 available and build your deck from cards in them. For example, the Paladins and the Demons. Choose carefully which cards will be useful to achieve victory so as not to exceed the maximum power level allowed, which is still limited by the cost of each card. In Direfog, we avoid any type of randomness. We want whoever is victorious to be only due to their skill and tactical sense. So, you will be able to choose which will be your starting units on board, as well as the order in which you will draw the cards in your deck. Choose wisely who will be the commander of your army, and then you are ready to battle. The battle begins with your previously chosen units on the board with the respective commander. You can see the health points of each unit on the right in red, its attack on the left in yellow, and its cost above the center. Each unit has a unique effect in the game. You can read it in the text of each card. There are unit type cards and others that function as spells. Whoever manages to have greater control on the board and prevails over the opponent's units will be the winner. Each player will have their own turn, which is divided into 2 phases. The action phase, in which you will be able to move your creatures and attack as many times as available, and the play phase, where you can cast 1 spell and summon 1 creature as well. Each player will draw 2 cards, and choose only one to keep it on their hand on their turn. Manage how to use each phase well. Sometimes it is better to let your phase pass and rethink your strategy for the next turn. As mentioned before, each card has unique effects which will affect the way the game plays out. To understand said effects, many cards have traits, which adjust to the playing style of the chosen faction. An example of traits is Vanguard, which triggers an attack when moving next to an enemy, or also Range, which allows you to deal damage from a safe distance. But be careful, because things can get pretty wild. Thank you for staying until the end on this Dire Tactics. Stay tuned for more exciting news for Direfog Tactical Card Combat. Bye!